Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a guest bathroom makeover. So we're making over our guest bathroom. It's fine just as it is, but I wanted to change it up a bit and try something different. So here's a few clips of our guest bathroom. I also decided that whatever color I chose for the cabinetry, I wanted to bring into the laundry room since they're both connected to each other. So the color I chose, I added to our laundry room door, and I'm going to also paint that room, but that will be another video. So let's get into this bathroom makeover video. So the first thing we did was say goodbye to the old mirror that was hanging there, and it left some black glue that I had to scrape off and cut off, and then I patched up some holes as well as took down some decor and also taped everything up. At this point I had already painted the light fixture black, and I didn't get to record that, but I just used regular black paint to paint that with a small brush. So here I am trying to figure out how I want to do this wallpaper. It was kind of a struggle to get them lined up, but I got it done anyways. I bought 3 rolls and I only ended up using 1.5. So I might use the rest in the laundry room. I'm not sure because I had already bought something else to go in there. But I might figure that out for something else since I do have a lot left over of this wallpaper. I kind of wish that I sanded down the wall first before I put this wallpaper on, because you can see like the little bumps and everything. So I don't know, that's something I should have done, but I didn't get to do. And then I also used one of these boards to make like a little trim to stop where the wallpaper was and where the paint would be. So it would be like a divider type of thing. So I already prepped the countertop by wiping it down, cleaning it, and sanding it as much as I can. And I'm going to use this interior paint. I saw people use appliance paint as well, but I feel like this will do just fine because it's kind of the same as appliance paint in a way. And then I'm just going to seal it with polyacrylic on top, but I'm going to sand in between painting this so that I could get a smooth finish, as smooth as I can get. I ended up not getting as smooth as I would like, but it was still good enough for me, at least because it's now white and not that yellowy color. So this is what I meant when I said it's now white and no longer that yellowy tone, which I like the white way better than the yellowy tone. It's probably easier to paint this with the cabinets off, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to do it like this. And I got flat in color Pine Forest. And I'm hoping it's enough for this cabinetry and for our laundry door. Let me show you. So I plan on painting this laundry door that same color as well. So hopefully it's enough. So it still needs to dry, then I gotta do another coat on top. But this is what it's looking like so far. And then this needs to fully dry, then I gotta sand it down and then put the polyacrylic on top. Time to paint the walls. And I think I do have enough green paint for this door, hopefully. But so far, honestly, I'm not too sure how I like the green right now. But I guess we'll wait until it dries and then have to do another coat on top of it just to get any pieces I missed. But yeah, I'm not sure how I like the green yet. First coat of paint is done. Painted everything. Of course, still gotta do the edges. I probably should have done that first before rolling. I'm so out of breath, I almost fell off the chair also. And this, I want to take this off, but Ruben wants to keep it there. I don't know why. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. And I'm full of paint everywhere. it probably needs like 2 more coats, so I'm gonna do a second coat now. This door needs another coat. The cabinets I think are already good, but it smells very strong in here, so I have to wear a mask. But I think the cabinets are good. I'm just gonna leave them open. I don't know why this one is closed. Leave them open so they could fully dry before actually having them closed. I want to get this ready so I could start decorating already, because I want to see what it looks like decorated. But for now, let's finish these walls, finish this door. These need to be painted white, redecorate it in there, clean up this plant because there's some dead leaves, and clean this up as well. So let's do this. This is where it's crooked, and you can see where I cut the lines to add another piece. And for some reason that piece was not straight, it was crooked. And I'm thinking of using these to like cover it and then add the other one on top. And that way somewhat covers the crooked line and can't really see the, I mean, I guess you can, but not as bad as the crooked line. That's what bugs me the most. Okay, it's day 3 in my painting clothes, and we are going to paint the last coat on these walls. Another coat on this door. I don't know how I feel about this door right now, but I think once the walls are white, it should look fine. Hopefully. The vanity, I believe it's good, and after that I could decorate and see how everything looks all together, and hopefully it looks nice, because like the vanity color, like I like it and I'm not sure how I feel about it. Then I don't know, we'll see once everything's decorated and everything's done being painted. So let's get to it. This to put these knobs, but the drill is dead. Since our room says hello sweet cheeks, I put the knife butt on this side. I need to put soap in there. Yep. Here's how it looks. never ended the video or said anything at the end of the video, so I wanted to say something now. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribed so you can stay tuned to further videos that I plan on doing, like our kitchen and the laundry room and things like that. We're actually on our way to IKEA right now. But yeah, if you want price breakdowns, I broke everything down in the description below. I also put down some links. So I would say if I were to round everything up that I got, including things I already had on hand, it would be a little over 200, so less than 300. And if it were just the things that I bought that I didn't have on hand already, it would be about 150 or so, like that. So this was a cheap bathroom makeover. It was under 300. So yeah, if you see anything you like, I try to link as much as I can down below. And yeah, so bye.